I have the patch tool. And this patch tool, this one, you like to look into an option bar and choose the patch from normal to content aware kind. Content aware kind is pretty smart. You select the area. I'm going to go into the right shoulder. You select the area and you move it and choose where the sample is coming from, and then let go of it, and then it disappears. You can do the same thing here. I think something happened though. It's a little dinty. I'm going to go back. What about that? I'm actually going to select this area and delete that, and I might start over. The reason why I'm selecting this black background and his shoulder is that I just want to have this clear distinction of the tonality and then let Photoshop know that there are difference in tones, so that Photoshop recognizes the difference and then try to fill that difference. I think this worked. So this one worked in the so select and then move to find the tones that matches and the texture too. So it's not just the tones, then it also implants the texture as well too.